In Iceland Telecom versus Information Systems and Networks, we discover that whether a federal court pierces the corporate veil may well depend on which state's law applies. Arvin Malkani was the sole owner, sole stockholder, CEO, and president of ISN Global Communications, or ISN Global, a Delaware corporation headquartered in Maryland. ISN Global was a subsidiary of Information Systems and Networks Corporation, or ISN. ISN Global observed few corporate formalities. It never held shareholder or board of directors meetings, and it never registered to do business in either New York or Maryland, the two states where it operated. Moreover, ISN Global and its operations relied almost entirely on ISN's resources. Its expenses were processed and paid for by ISN, and it operated out of ISN's office space without paying rent. ISN Global entered into a contract with Iceland Telecom. During the negotiations, Iceland Telecom believed it was dealing with ISN. However, the contract was signed by only Iceland Telecom and ISN Global. After a payment dispute, Iceland Telecom sued ISN Global, ISN, and Malkani to recover for breach of contract and unjust enrichment. Iceland Telecom alleged that the circumstances justified piercing the corporate veil to hold ISN and Malkani liable for ISN Global's debts. ISN and Malkani moved for summary judgment, arguing that piercing the corporate veil wasn't justified.